Section 3, Knowledge Base. Find the answer without needing to raise a case. Tips for a successful search. You can search the knowledge base or browse articles if you need help in several different ways. You can either access the knowledge base by clicking on Documentation and FAQs, where you can browse a list of articles by category, including top-rated and most viewed articles. You can also click Knowledge on the header, where you can also browse articles. You can also search in the search box directly from the home page. For example, if you needed help regarding a delivery. The drop-down list here that you can see will show you a list of all service items available that have the word delivery in them, all previous cases that have the word delivery in them, and all knowledge base articles that contain the word delivery as well. If you click the search button, it will take you through to a list of all items that contain the word delivery. By default, the list will appear and include all different types of items, including cases, service items, and articles containing the word delivery. But if you want to filter through, you can select Knowledge Base to just view articles that contain the word delivery. Or you can filter any questions and answers. You can also look at any catalogue or service items where the word delivery is included in the title, and you can then click through to open a case to request a service via this route. You can also filter by cases, so you can view any previous cases that have been raised that have the word delivery in the title. Get functional guidance via the IFS support portal. If you have a functional question about how the IFS application works or need functional guidance, you can search from the homepage the most useful and most read articles. You can also click Documentation and FAQs, where you can browse a list of articles by topic. You can also access the knowledge base and browse articles by clicking Knowledge in the header. You can also search in order to receive functional guidance directly by typing your search query in the search box from the home page. Here you can search Knowledge Base to look for articles, questions and answers, service items, and cases that match your query. If you're still unable to find the assistance that you need, you can also open a case to ask IFS for assistance. Select Ask a Question. You'll then see the case wizard. You'll be prompted in the first instance to search in the IFS community. The IFS community is a platform where IFS users, customers, and employees share information and answer each other's questions. If you're still unable to find the assistance you need, just simply complete the required fields in the case form here and click Submit to send your question to IFS. View IFS policies and processes from within the IFS support portal. You can view standard IFS policies and processes in a number of ways via the IFS support portal. First, from the home page, you can navigate to Most Useful Articles, Most Read Articles, and Announcements, all of which frequently contain IFS standard policies and processes. You can also search the documentation and FAQs. where you can browse a list of categories, in particular IFS Cloud Standard Processes, and IFS Support Portal. You can also find a vast amount of information on IFS policies and processes via the IFS community, which you can find under the Useful Links part on the header. There are a number of groups and forums available on the IFS community where you can find IFS policies and processes. In particular, the group Getting Started with IFS is a fantastic resource for all information about IFS products, customer support and success, and standard policies and procedures. View important news and announcements from IFS via the IFS Support Portal. IFS endeavours to keep our customers updated with important information and bulletins which may affect them. When you first log into the homepage, you'll notice any important bulletins in the top of the screen, as shown in red and green here. You can click through directly to the article to find out more, and once you've read them, you can click the X button to remove them from the header. You can also find important information in the most useful and most read articles, and in the announcements section on the IFS Support Portal as well. You can also find the latest IFS news and updates on the IFS community, which you can access via the Useful Links drop-down on the IFS Support Portal homepage. You'll find a number of different groups, posts, articles and updates, and you can browse all of these directly from the homepage. There are also specific groups that you can join with the latest news and updates published within those. You can find the latest information about the IFS product, including product release notes and the IFS product roadmap. And there's also a latest news section of the knowledge base as well, hosted within the IFS community. We highly recommend that our customers check the IFS Support Portal and IFS community regularly to ensure they're up to date on all the latest news.